welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a small Temu order based off of the moon this time. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoyed the show. So I've been trying to get paintings together, trying to do every time I show a Temu order kind of what topic. I forgot what the term was. And so I've done flowers, I've done teacups. This time I'm doing the moon. But when I was going through, yeah, my moon stash is a little short, y'all. So I need to make sure to get some more moon paintings when I have a chance. So luckily I was able to find some. I'm more than happy to share. So let me just get this one out of the bag. Sometimes I get really stuck and have to fight with them. Oh, the little toolkit is gave. Well, no, I believe they might have put it outside of the painting. Oh, that's odd. They usually wrap it inside in the middle. Let me put this aside real quick. And the painting, unfurl it, it's going to have the diamonds and the toolkit. And just in case you're new to diamond painting, the standard toolkit is always the tray, the wax, and the pen. And all you would do is press the pen onto the wax, onto the diamonds that you've already poured in the tray, press it onto the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, if this one gets lost or if it chips or breaks, your next painting is going to have one as well. And these are the diamonds. I noticed that this pack's a little more loose than usual whenever I get diamonds, so that's interesting. And these are, I really love these really dark tones. As much as I love pastels, I love my dark tones as well. You can see some of the dark blues, the greens. I believe this is 310, our lovely black. There's a lot of it, and I know that's the background. And I love all the blues too. There's, ooh, that really nice dark violet. I love that color. And this is the painting. It is the sun and the moon facing each other. And I was correct. The back is all black. And yeah, it's 310. Our lovely 310. I fell in love with this image when I saw it because I really love the colors of the sun and the moon. For as the sun is yellow and the moon is blue, which kind of makes sense. And I'm just fixing the plastic just to help with the creases to settle a bit. As you can probably see on the painting, it's a little creased up because of it being in the little plastic wrap. And there you go. Oh my goodness, I really love this little image. It's so cute. And I love the way the moon looks. Ooh, the sun's not that bad as well, but the moon is my favorite. Sorry, Mr. Sun. And some information about the painting. It is M-006 and it is 20 by 20. It has 15 colors. Oh, I love my little 20 by 20s. That's why I always have a lot of them. And the legend, ooh, luckily, it's all capital letters. Thank goodness, no sneaky symbols anywhere. And yeah, you can see all the different kind of dark tones here. And the background is all W, which is 310, which is the black one. And I really love this painting. Huh. Maybe this might be one of my side ones. I try to do 20 by 20s whenever I'm working on big ones. And since recently, I have been working on a whole bunch of large ones. I think I need a break and kit up a small one. Not too sure this one would be it, but I'm thinking about it. And just in case, I'll put a clear image here in the middle of the screen so you can see a little more clearly if the sun and moon is your style as well. Let me just put it aside real quick. Oops, sorry about that. I think I dropped something. And this is the next one. As I said, I was a little limited on when I was trying to find moon ones, and it's mostly for the last image I want to show. But I remembered this one, so that's why I pulled it out. There's the moon. It's in the background. There's the moon in it. And just unfurl it real quick. Same thing, standard kit. And these are the diamonds. Oh, I really love that minty green color. Oh, I love these colors. Blue is my favorite color, as some of y'all probably know. Whenever I catch this little kind of oceany, I don't know, every time I see this blue, it makes me think of summer. I get real excited when I see it because I know the painting is going to include it. Oh, I really love that color. I love the dark teal behind it. As you can see here, a couple more darker blue tones and a white one here. Oh, I really like these colors. And it's the painting. Well, technically there's no moon, there's stars. that kind of counts. It's two cute kitty cats looking at each other with a tree and a lighted bird and with falling stars all behind them and snow. And I love snow, so that's why this painting I wanted to pick it up. It's so cute. I love all the blue tones of it. So as you can see in the background from the light and from the snow, even on the kitty cat, there's a couple of light blues everywhere. I'm a big fan of that. The first time I saw this image, I thought it was so cute. And I love cats, because I have a cat. And so I really wanted to pick this one up. I really thought there was a moon on it. Huh. But as I said, they're stars. It counts. And I really love it. Oh my goodness, I really love this one. And in person, it is a really clear image. Considering how small it is really, really clear. And I believe on camera it's showing as well. That's kind of surprising to me. Kind of like it. And some information about the painting. It is AN017 and is 20 by 20. It is 15 colors. And for the legend, luckily, they are all capital letters. Oh my goodness. Every time I keep looking at it, it is really, really clear. Scratch that. I think this might be the next one I'll kit up, because I really want to see how it's going to come out. Even the eyes, as you can probably see, have their own separate indicators. So it's going to show different colors for the eyes. Huh. I think I might kit this one up next. And since winter is coming, it has snow. This will count. And just in case, I'll make sure to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen. You can see a little more clearly. Nice little cute pair of cats. Is their style as well. I'm not kidding. I am going to kit it up next. As I said, I like doing smalls on the side. And I'll make sure to do a video of that when I kit this one up. And it's the final painting. So let me get the plastic off. As I said, this is the painting I really wanted to show. And I am 100% certain there's a moon in this one. I really thought the second one had a moon. Huh. For shame, Rosie, for shame. So let me get this off real quick. And let me put this aside. And there we go. And this one is a larger painting. So, as you can see, diamonds in your standard kit. As I said, they always find you. And these are the diamonds. Oh, the first colors I saw were these nice coral orange colors. They're really bright, and I love that. And there's also dark tones behind it, a nice blues in the back. Oh, I really like this. Oh my goodness, there's a dark teal. Oh, I love that color. Oh, that violet is real pretty. Love that dark rose, the light orangey camel color. There's kind of a large, it's the dark blue here in the middle, as you can probably see. I really like that. That is a big packet, and I feel it when I'm holding it. Oh, really love these colors. And this is the painting. So it's a moon with a whole bunch of stars in the night sky, with setting light and with a mountain range at the bottom. I love this painting. When I first saw it on the TEMU site, I knew I really, really wanted it. And the style of the painting, everything on it looks like it's kind of drawn a bit. So you can probably see the style a bit. It's not as sharp. It looks like it's kind of drawn, like with pencil. And I really, really love that. And I really love the style, and I really love the colors. My apologies, I'm really fixing the plastic because it keeps trying to fold up on me. And I kind of want it straight for y'all. And there we go. Ooh, that worked. And oh, I love these colors. No wonder it's all those really light coral colors I like a lot. Huh. And I love the moon too. As if you can see, it looks like hand-drawn style, like sketching or with color pencils, as you can see. And I love that. So that's why I really, really wanted this image. I'm a big fan of it. And some information about the painting. It is F014 and it is a 30 by 30 and it is 18 colors. And luckily for the legend, it's all capital letters. So, woo, thank goodness. That makes it so much easier when I'm going to paint. I think I'll see if there's an event later this year. I might do this one for an event. And it's a 30 by 30, so it shouldn't take me long. Since I've been working on larger paintings, I've been getting a little bit faster. So anytime I try to go for a little smaller one, I'm starting to pick up my speed. So thank you, larger paintings. Because I am still a slow painter, but since I've been doing more and more, I'm starting to get my rhythm. I'm starting to get a little faster. This one I believe I can work up for an event. But I'll keep you all posted if I can find one. And as well, I'll make sure to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen so you can see the image a lot clearer. A nice moon with the stars is your thing as well. And yeah, so that's all I wanted to show today. As I said, I really wanted to show these paintings, especially with the moon, even though one wasn't, but that's all right. It's got stars. And yeah, so if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. Hey, if you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. Hey, if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that. Well, it really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show everyone these wonderful paintings we all love to do. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.